Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are on the LaFontaine Ford website. Once you've browsed all of our inventory, simply click on Personalize Your Payment. Our real-time payment calculator will let you choose between finance, lease, or even you can pay cash. Adjust your down payment to the desired amount here. And you can see that your payment's updated in real time. It lets you find the best term that works for you. You can select your credit score range here to get a more accurate payment. How many miles per year? If you have a trade, no problem. Our valuation tool makes it very simple to give you an appraisal online. Be sure your zip code is correct because this is how we calculate your taxes and fees. Click here to see what other incentives or rebates you qualify for from Ford. Qualify for plan pricing? Click here. It's a simple drop down and it'll allow you to pick which one you qualify for. Not sure what it is? Any of the tabs you can click on eligibility and it'll give you a brief explanation if you qualify or if you don't. Review your deal here to make sure everything is correct. You can click here and apply for financing with Ford Motor Credit, or you can click here and save your deal, set up an appointment to come in. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.